Welcome to another episode of My Cooking Experience, the show that documents me on my journey as a cook. This is part 4 of our barbecue series. And listen, cooks, I'm so excited because today we're preparing one of my favorites, and that is grilled salmon. Listen, you don't know how much I love grilled salmon. But I will say this, I went online and I found a decent recipe. I'm pretty sure we're going to be able to create something wonderful out of this. And with that said, lights, camera, you guys know the rest.
Lights, this is it. We'll hit the heights, and oh, what heights we'll hit. On with the show, this is it.
Guys, this recipe that I'm going to read off comes from allrecipe.com. It's a grilled salmon recipe by Tina Manina, and it reads: this grilled salmon tastes so good. A simple soy and brown sugar marinade with a hint of lemon and garlic are the perfect salt-sweet, complete to rich salmon fillets. Even my 9-year-old loves this recipe. I'll add the ingredients that she said to create this marinade. 1 cup water. She said soy. Lemon pepper, garlic powder, supposed to allow it to marinate for 2 hours. On top of that, better look nice. It's done. So now, all right, it's time for the taste test. A lot of good flavors inside this, and it's like it just melts away. Well, Tina at allrecipe.com. It's good tasting salmon. I like it. I give it a thumbs up. I want to thank you guys for watching another one of my videos. I hope that you learned something, or you at least like it. But if you did, hit a like, leave a comment, subscribe to my channel, help me grow, get me out there, share with friends. Until next time.